Welcome to the SATELIS 75W installation guide video. These are the hole drilling measurements for the SATELIS 75W pole assembly. Drill 3 holes through the pole. Top hole 0.5 inches wide, middle hole 1.35 inches wide, and bottom hole 0.5 inches wide. The distance from the top hole to the bottom hole is 9.5 inches. Next to the 1.35 inch center hole, drill an extra hand hole so that you can connect all the cables inside of the pole. These are the components that come with the SATELIS 75W. This fixture comes with 2 solar panels. First, install the solar panel. Connect component L to the solar panels using component kit A. Secure the screws in this order. Next, install the solar panel base to the pole. If the pole is too big or square, you will need a tenon adapter. Please contact your pole manufacturer for a tenon adapter to fit your pole size. The tenon adapter should be 5.5 to 7.1 inches tall and 3.1 inches wide. Secure component F with the screws from component kit B. Then insert wire N through the top of the pole and attach the solar panels. Secure the solar panels with component kit D. The solar panel is adjustable. You can access the panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Once you choose the desired angle, secure with screws, then connect the solar panel cables to wire N. Now install the luminaire and the battery bracket. Align component H to the pole. Then attach component I and component G with screws from component kit C. Then install the battery pack with screws from component kit E. Lastly, install the luminaire. Feed the wire of the luminaire through component J and then secure the luminaire with screws from component kit E to component H. Connect all of the cables through the extra hand hole, solar panel to controller, and battery pack to the luminaire. Keep the extra hand hole covered so the cables are unharmed. The light head is adjustable. Remove the screws on the light head to adjust the angle. Then tighten for desired angle. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.